Can I do fireworks?
No, I can't see it. All right, get back, guys.
Alright, go table.
Woo! Wow.
That was actually kind of
doesn't
weird.
get any close to them.
That was actually kind of weird. That was actually kind of weird. Guys, look at all the smoke. Look at all the smoke. The smoke.
Take it easy. William, slow down, buddy. All right, slow down. There's the fuse on top. Get it out there away.
I'm Chance's sister. Okay, this isn't going to my main
Keep
account.
going.
Okay, I don't want to get inside the house.
All right, get inside the house.
I can't. The
Get,
door.
come on around here. Come on around
Oh
back
boy,
here.
it's already lit. It's already lit.
You're definitely doing a sound reveal.
Oh, that's a ladybug. And you can't shoot it some off. Look at all this
Michaela,
smoke.
leave it alone.
Look at this smoke. Look at all this smoke. Oh my God, that's kind of cool. Can I shoot the next one? No, my grandma shoot it off. It's big. It's a big one.
All right, let me see how you do these.
I think we should ride one at a time or something.
Well, they're taped on here kind of funny. No, I think the fuse is right here.
Still
What,
there.
what, can I light it?
All right, we're going to save this one for last, all right?
Yeah, the smoke is still there.
Oh no.
Rub your fingers. Still there. Smoke.
Here you go, William.
Alright.
Guys, get away. Get away. Very good. Very good.
Ow! That actually didn't hold.
Wow.
No, that was a Wongo.
Smoke
bomb! That was actually a
There you
Wongo.
go. Here's the next one.
Look at all the smoke. Oh, mini tank. Look at mini tank. Mini tank.
All right, get away, Lee. Very good. Come on, Michaela.
Oh God! Ow.
That's it.
That just exploded.
Yeah, I know. Here you go.
Wow.
These are smaller ones.
Oh, can I do that? Yeah, do it. One, two, three. Okay. Look at all the smoke.
I know, that's it.
I got bullets a little. Let's just hold my tablet. I mean, my tablet doesn't go off. Uh-oh.
Oh, shoot. These are bottle rockets.
They are?
Yeah.
Look at all the smoke.
Oh, you weren't gonna supposed to do
Michaela, look
that.
at all the
Bottle
smoke.
rockets. Yeah, we just wasted our money on those. Well, we didn't waste them. We'll use them one day. Just not here today.
Like somewhere else.
Probably so.
Look at all the smoke.
Get it out there.
Look at this.
Lee, get back here, buddy.
Can I do that?
Nah, I got it. Please.
Michaela? No, not on those, okay?
What?
You can light some tanks, okay?
Oh, I can only do tanks. That's no fun.
You not try try to catch that. It's hot.
Oh.
Wow.
That was actually kind of cool. I don't want to
Guys, get away from it. Get away from it. Get away from it.
I don't want to get inside the house. That thing just shattered into pieces. Let me inside. Yeah, you're right. You don't have enough time to do it. Michaela, let me in! Hey, we got pandas. Got pandas. Don't let me in. Michaela, let me in! Michaela, I'll put that one close together. Right, watch it. So you just have.
Do you want to hold on to a sparkler, Lee?
No! I want to.
Why did you put those so close together?
Oh, okay, no. Give me a second. I need to separate that.
No, take one back. Take one back. William, no, God damn. Go ahead, light it.
Wait, a train! Oh yeah, just light it. The radio's recording. The tab is at 5%. The tab might die.
Well, it might die.
But man, it might die. That was just a disappointment.
No, stay back here. Stay back here.
Why? I don't want to get inside. I'm not going to light it.
Because I said. That's good enough. All right, light the next one.
That thing was just space. That was just a bit disappointment. Can we? Hurry up. Hurry up. Action. Let's watch it. Watch it.
There you go.
Wait. That was actually not a disappointment. Cool. Right, 1, 2, 3,
Pop. There you go. All right.
Yeah. There it goes.
Here you go. Lee, do you want to light a sparkler?
I do. No! Can I do it? Can I
No, I mean I'm not light it, but
Can I?
yes, you're gonna get one.
I want to get inside. Okay.
Oh, that kind of scared me. There you go.
I don't want to get inside. No.
All right. All right, give me just a minute, Lee.
Just make sure you can.
Get back. There you go. Here you go. There you go. All right. Go ahead. Write your names and stuff.
No, I'm not doing that.
Why?
Because I'm not. Okay, get them together into the video. Put them down. Oh, mine's gone.
Is this let Lee swim?
Yep.
Oh.
Oh, never
There
mind.
you go.
That doesn't surprise me. Mine should happen in 2 seconds. Is my boarding? Oh. That's supposed to happen because mine's boarding very fast.
Well, that's why you don't get anywhere near them.
I didn't. I just swam some of the pieces into the water. Oh no, it's whipping out the skin. Oh yeah, mine's happening too. Is this supposed to happen?
Yeah?
No. Oh my god.
Why are you guys just holding them? You should be like, well,
No.
there you go.
No, I'm trying to get it inside the video. I don't want to. Why does it kind of look like a rainbow on mine? Okay, now it feels like it's very close.
Get it back away from the tablet. Thank you, guys.
I'm trying to record.
Hmm?
Gotta get down.
If you go out here farther, there, right there. See that? Now it's more in, now you're more in.
Is mine ever gonna stop? Don't think it will.
Oh, those go for a while, don't they?
It just
All right. All right. There you go. All right.
That'd be crazy and go and do that and go and touch one again. Those. No, nothing crazy this one.
Come on. Let me get it out here, all right? Stay back here.
Let's hope the video, let's hope the tablet doesn't. That's okay.
This one's big. Stand back.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
Campanelli.
Oh boy! Oh boy!
That's fast moving.
Oh god! Oh yeah! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Campanelli.